Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now we are going to see Zscaler opportunities from all over India. Before going to our channel, watch the video till end and subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. It will be helpful for you to get more update about my channel. And now we are going to see Scalar deal with desk extensive intern night shift only. Full time from Chandigarh, India. Department will be finance and accounting job. Qualification will be 0 to 1 year and the qualification will be MBA, MCom with similar courses, understanding the sale processing methodology, excellent communication, and must have proficiency in MS Office, CPRQL tool is must. And this is what they are acquiring with extra companies. And the job description will be they are mentioning almost 7 to 8 points based upon the MCom and the MBA student. They know the insurance on the job description of this company and the income tax rate professionally and the financing and accounting managing that much thing they are expecting from the student and proceeding with the CNP or Q to sales and creating a building schedule. Candidate should be comfortable working in permanent night shift. So many interesting things they are mentioning here. You just want to click here I am interested and create an account and start applying. While filling this form, if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. I will clear your doubt as much I can quickly to you. Just to forward to MCom and MBA student, it will be helpful for them to get a good opportunity from SCAR from Elon Musk opportunity company. So thanks for watching this guy. Any doubt, comment me in the comment section.